Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're feeling fabulous today. Oh my gosh, for today's video I'm so excited to share with you my epic watch unboxing. Now it's an unboxing reveal. I haven't worn this watch yet. It still has all the stickers and plastic and everything on it, so I'm excited to take it off with you. So what I have for today's unboxing is a gold Rolex watch, and I've been on the hunt for a Rolex watch for the past 4 years now, 4 or more years now, on and off here and there. And in Melbourne there's only about 3 to 4 Rolex watch stockists. How it works is that they have a set amount of Rolex watches and they only order in more styles or more stock once they sell those watches. And so that's why it's really hard to purchase a Rolex watch, because you can't really, you can pre-order one in, but then you're pretty much stuck with purchasing that watch. We went into the 3 Rolex stores. I think they have 3 or 4, I can't remember, but it's like something like that. So I went into like 2 of them or 3 of them, and then there was one left that I hadn't gone into. And pretty much no one has 31 millimeters in pure gold. They have a lot of 31 millimeters in the two-tone, but the gold ones are quite rare, and the ones that they had didn't wow me. I didn't love it. So I went to the Rolex store in Collins Street. I had been seeing this guy who is one of the sales reps in there. He is such a lovely guy, and I was like, do you have any 31 millimeters coming in? It's my last resort, I just want to have a look. And he's like, no, but we do have some 28 millimeters that have just come in and no one's tried them on. You need to try them on. And I saw it and I was like, oh wow, it's so beautiful. And then when I tried it on, I just absolutely fell in love, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I love this, absolutely love it. The 28 millimeter looks absolutely perfect on my wrist. It was just stunning. I just took my breath away. So anyway, enough of me rambling on. It came in this beautiful dark green, it's like a dark forest green shopping bag. I'll give you a sneak peek of what inside looks like. And it's got the Rolex symbol on both sides. So first off, it comes with this watch transporter, and it says Watches of Switzerland. You can store your watch in here easily if you're going anywhere and you want it protected. So it comes with this foam piece. It's just a foam piece and you just take it out. It also comes with a buffing cloth. And then I have my receipt. I'm so excited to share this with you. So this here is just a cardboard sleeve. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got an imprint here of the Rolex symbol. This box here, guys, is so heavy. We've got a little foam protector piece here. This is the watch box, guys. Can you believe it? This watch box is massive. If you buy like a normal Rolex watch, the watch box is half the size. The watch box is absolutely beautiful. It's got the Rolex gold crown symbol there. It's got the really nice wavy look there. Very classic of Rolex. When you open this, so you're able to just slide this box out. It is, I just love packaging. Can you guys tell? Okay, so on the back here it says Geneva, Swiss. So I'm going to open the box. Oh my gosh, ta-da! Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous it is. The reason why this watch box is so special is because you can only get this if you purchase a gold Rolex watch with a diamond bezel. So if you were to purchase just a plain gold Rolex watch, you don't get this box. It's only if you have the double combo. And the reason why this box is so special is because it also acts as a jewelry case, so you can store your other jewelry pieces in here. And then under here is the care instructions and warranty guarantee card and so forth. And yeah, this is my watch, guys. I can't believe it. I'll show you the rest of the box first. This also comes out. It's such a gorgeous box. I'm so proud to have this box and store my other jewelry pieces in it. So what I have here, this one is called the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Lady Datejust. It's got the date bubble here, 18 karat gold with a diamond bezel. Has a diamond number 9 ribbon on the index fingers where the numbers are supposed to be. It has little star detail. It has the president bracelet. This one is in the 2 finish, a really high shine gold in the middle, and on the sides it has the frosted gold bits. Gives it more dimension. I'm gonna take this off. It is so stunning. This is what the watch looks like on. So this dial here is this silver dial, which just makes the diamond bezel really pop and really shine. What James was saying this year was that the champagne dials, they call it champagne, but the older versions are quite yellow, so it just makes it look like it's one whole bracelet. I did try a 31 millimeter with the champagne dial on the inside. It was really yellow, but I didn't love it as much as this one. So this one is the latest 2016, 2017 model. I absolutely adore this watch. It's got plastic on both sides. There's a black barcode here, sticker there as well. On here there is red sticker there just to protect the watch. Also on the underside there is a sticker on there as well with a red tab. I'm going to take that off. I'm going to take these swing tags off first. When it comes to a watch, it's such a personal choice. You actually really need to just try on the watch and just fall in love with it. If it wows you, then you know it's a one. But I just couldn't pre-order anything because what if I'm, I pre-order it and then I'm stuck with it and I don't love it, and then I'm always searching for something else. So, as soon as I got this one, I was like, that's it. Every other watch looked really normal to me. So I really adore this one. He showed me how to rewind the watch and how to start it up. So what he said was that before you wear it, you have to take the stickers off, or it could discolor the color of the gold and it'll be hard to polish out. So I'm going to take the stickers off. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. 2, 3, got the red tab on it. 4, 5. I'm taking this sticker off, barcode off. That one's so cute. I've just taken pretty much all of them off except for the one on the back, so I'm going to keep that one on just for now. And yeah, what James said is once you take all the plastic off, it fits so much better and it can move like very freely on your wrist, which is true. Oh my gosh, I just absolutely love it. I can wear this one daily as well because during the day it doesn't bling so much, but at night, ooh, girl, it's gonna bling. I love it. I love it, love it, love it so much. And I'm so glad that I chose the one with the diamond bezel. I was really tossing up between the fluted bezel, which is the classic Rolex design. For me, time is just really precious, and what a perfect way then to wear it on your wrist in precious metal and stone, in gold and diamonds. And this is a beautiful timepiece that I chose that it just really made my heart sing and it really spoke to me. And it's something that I can pass down to my kids and my grandkids, and something that will definitely stay in the family. And because it is made from 18 karat gold and diamonds, it holds its value a lot more than the two-tone. I chose the president bracelet because I love it how it's really simple and it goes with the gold watch so well. It acts like a piece of jewelry. If you were to choose a Rolex watch, what would you choose? Would you choose a 28, 31 millimeter or 40, or is it 39? I'm not sure. But yeah, which one would you choose and why? And what sort of strap would you choose? Would you choose the Jubilee or the president bracelet? Also, I'd love to know, what is your dream watch? Yeah, I'm so glad that I was able to tick so many items off my wish list for 2016. 2016 has been a blast of year. It's been crazy, but it has been really amazing. And yeah, 2017 is full of big surprises, big everything for me, because yeah, I want to travel, go overseas, and obviously overseas travel and go to Europe and stuff like that. So yeah, anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Please take care. Until next time, I will see you again very soon. Bye for now.